Sir, ito yung ginawa kong website gamit ang WordPress. So, ang website na ginawa ko is about me lang and para siyang portfolio website ko which is naka-redirect siya sa Carl Luis Rito as you can see as URL. And so, i-explain ko about page yung contents and then yung mga ginawa ko. So, let's go. So, una is naghanap ako ng theme sa WordPress and ito yung napili ko. So, ang binago ko una-una is itong logo. And then, yung mga pages na ginamit ko, which is ayan, home, about, products, and contact. And then, nilagay ko din yung name ko as the hero section and then my title position, which is web developer. And then, meron tayong button, explore, which is wala namang function yet pag kinlik. But in the future, pwede siyang lagyan. Pero ang pinocus ko is yung design muna talaga. Then, pangalawang section is yung web design. Ito yung mga ino-offer ko na services, which is web design, graphic design, content. And then, konting description. And then, about me, kumuha lang ang image. And then, sinulat ko lang din yung short description about myself. And then, contact us or contact me. And then, yan. Nilagay ko lang na short description. And then, lagay din ako dito ng nav tabs, home, about, products, and contact na nakakonect din doon sa taas, which is ito. So, when we click about, mapupunta tayo sa about me. Ayan, mapupunta tayo sa about me. Then, nilagyan ko lang ng main mission and then may konting short description about myself. And then, as usual, the talk to us. Then, button is wala pang functionality yan, but in the future niya, pwede kong nagdag. And then, products, yung pangatlong tab. So, dito naman sa products is nilagay ko lang din yung mga pictures ng services na nilagay ko sa landing page, which is the web design, graphic design, and then content writing. And then, nag-modify lang ako ng short description beside dito sa mga images na ginamit ko. And then, talk to me, which is the contact as usual. And then, last is the contact. Contact as page is makita lang dito is yung contact form ng name, phone number, email, message, and then yung email, phone number, and then yung address ko kung gusto man nila ako i-reach out. And then sa footer is naglagay lang din ako ng image and then social links. So that is all. Thank you.